The Helios Scholars at TGen is possible because of a shared vision between TGen and the Helios Education Foundation that allowed us to work together for the past 10 years toward educating the next generation of researchers and physicians for Arizona.
I am originally from Cameroon. I moved to the United States to become a medical doctor. And I would say the Helios Scholar program actually defined it.
I love coding. I love seeing how things work, making things work, and if I get to help somebody, that's the best thing you could do.
The research projects that the students work on in the lab are real research projects. They're mentored for several weeks, and then we let them go. A few times students have come back for multiple years, and they just become more and more useful in the lab.
Every year we get over 500 applicants, and these are some of the best and brightest that Arizona has to offer from all different backgrounds.
The students have contributed to several journals. They're actually authors on a few different papers.
The research that I'm doing right now is in the brain tumor unit, studying a very aggressive form of brain cancer called glioblastoma multiforme.
During the summer, I got to work on a research project where we were looking at a subset of breast cancer that had become drug resistant to see if there was anything that we could do to destroy those breast cancer cells.
One of the biggest ways that this internship has prepared me for my career is that a lot of times experiments can fail. Real experience in a lab as an undergraduate is a really good way to prepare me.
There are three major factors we are hoping students leave with. One being technical proficiency in the research that they're conducting. We also want them to leave with soft skills, things like business etiquette or scientific communication skills. And third, we want them to build a network here and within the larger Arizona biomedical research community so that they have a connection to this state and may return after further schooling.
The students that have come through our lab have been really focused on science. They were really excited about the projects. Many of them have gone on and now they're research associates at Barrow Neurological Institute, TGen, and then many of them have gone on to graduate schools.
My internship compelled me to explore new areas of research and to go on to get my master's at Johns Hopkins in bioinformatics. Now I'm using the skills that I learned in my master's degree to help the new generation of interns today.
When I first started, my mentor told me one thing. She said, at the end of your internship, you need to know whether you want to continue in this field or not. Right now, I am a process engineer at Intel Corporation, and I'm pursuing my master in electrical engineering. The mentorship is unbelievable, and it can lead you to amazing opportunities.